It would be a completely insane thing to do to intentionally catch your house on fire, right? What most people don't realize is when you start a fire in your fireplace, that's exactly what you're doing. I'm Jeremiah Campbell with Brickworks, and I'm here to offer you a $79 chimney video inspection. That's 25 points where we're sending a video camera up the inside of your chimney. Why is this important to you? Because you need to know that your chimney is functioning properly. Whether you've already had your chimney rebuilt, we built a porch, or did your driveway, we want to keep you and your family safe before you have your first fire this season. Now, when we put a camera up there, the things that we're going to be exactly looking for are the hidden dangers that you can't see without the camera inspection. This is buildup of excessive creosote that you can't catch with a sweep that's going to eventually catch on fire. This is gaps and cracks in the flue system of the chimney and other dangers that are hidden inside that you can't reach without a camera. There's nothing better this time of year when the weather is getting cold and you want to light a fire in your fireplace. Give yourself a peace of mind before you light your first fire this year and call us today for a video chimney inspection.